5-Minute Math. I'm Mr. Herb, and today we're here to talk about this guy. Yeah, him. This is a whole math problem. It's kind of beautiful when you think about it. In this one symbol, there's a whole math problem involved with just this one symbol. So let's get to it. Let's talk about what this symbol is. First off, this is a Greek letter, capital sigma. And in math class, this capital sigma means summation. Yeah, summation. You see this root word sum? Summation means that what we're going to do is we are going to add up everything in the list that comes after this Greek letter sigma. So let me show you what a problem will look like. Let's get right to it. Okay, this is what a typical and relatively basic summation problem looks like. So let's talk about the parts here. First off, we have this. Bang. Here below the sigma, you will see your variable being used and your starting plug-in value. After this sigma, there is going to be a sequence of numbers. And to get that sequence of numbers, we're going to plug in this number to begin with, and we're going to continue to plug in numbers to get new numbers until we reach this number here. This number up top is our bang. That's our ending plug-in value. So, in essence, we are going to add up a list of numbers that we're going to get by plugging in this number all the way to this number. So let me show you what that looks like. We're going to plug in 1 first to see what our first number is in the list. Okay, nice and cleaned up. So let me show you how we can get the sequence of numbers from this summation. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take this 1 and plug it right in there where that n is. And that'll give us the first number in our sequence. So what is 2 times 1 plus 3? 5, exactly right. Now put a plus because don't forget, we are adding all of these numbers together. Don't forget this means summation. So at the end of getting this sequence, we're going to add all of these numbers together. So here we go again. Now that I've done the 1, now we're going to plug in a 2, exactly right. 2 times 2 plus 3 is 7, yeah, exactly right. All right, moving right along, we're gonna plug in that way. A 3, yeah. 2 times 3 plus 3 is, 6 plus 3 is 9. Plug in a 4. Oh yeah, exactly right. Now we're finally at our 5. We're gonna plug in a 5 now. Bang, exactly right. Now, this was a relatively short example. I can't promise you that you're gonna stop at 5 every time. Sometimes you're gonna ask you to go to 10. Sometimes you're gonna ask you to go to 20. Wish there was a shortcut or a formula we could use to find the sum. Oh, wait a minute, what kind of series is this? Is this an arithmetic? Is it going up by the same amount every time? Oh yeah. Guys, if this is an arithmetic series, can't we just use our sum formula we had before? Pay attention to what the common difference was. Bang, oh, here we go. So on the longer problems where we would have to write a sequence of 10 or 15 or 20 numbers, it's probably a better idea for us to use this sum formula. Now, it's a really good idea to maybe calculate the first couple to make sure it's arithmetic and find that common difference. Where's the common difference here, by the way? 2, exactly right. You think there's some sort of coincidence that this common difference is the rate of change of this linear equation? Ha! Quick shortcut. If this is, let me change this. Bang. If this is a linear equation, this is an arithmetic sequence. And if this is a linear equation, that is D. Oh yeah. So with this information, let's just sum it up with this. Let's plug in what we know. I plugged in everything I know. I know what n goes to. It goes to 5. I know what the first term is. I calculated it's 5. Again, I know what n, and I know what d is. Arithmetic. Let's do some pen dots. Bang! Now would I have got 45 if I added up all of those numbers over there? Let's see. 5 and 7 and 9, 11 and 13. If I add those all up because that summation I get 45. Quick summary. Bang! This symbol is a whole math problem. Let's talk about exactly what this symbol means. This symbol is exactly that. The sum of the entire sequence of numbers that follows it. And to get that sequence of numbers, we plug in this number up to this number and add. every number together in that sequence. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.